Hey everybody, Monkey Man Direct, October 20th, 2023. It starts now. Come on out, Monkey Man. Come on, let's do it. Let's go. Come on, I got places to be.
Hey there, folks. It's me, Monkey Man, and welcome to the Monkey Man Direct. First of all, I would just like to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart for the incredible reception to our previous film, Monkey Man 2. You can watch that by clicking the link in the description below. Wow, Monkey Madness!
Monkey Madness.
In all seriousness, folks, we appreciate the love, we appreciate the support, and we're just going to keep on chugging along because we've got a couple more things in store for you today. Before we even touch on the Halloween special, I have some unfortunate news. There will be no Monkey Man Christmas special this year. I know. It's heartbreaking. Quite frankly, it's fucking bullshit. But yes, I have to 100% fully confirm no Monkey Man Christmas special this year. Don't expect one. It's not coming. Because we are extremely hard at work on the next installment in the franchise, Monkey Man 3.
Monkey Madness.
Monkey Man 3 is going to be a huge undertaking. It is going to take a lot of work, a lot of dedication, and probably a lot of money. We'll talk about that later. But for what it's worth, we're working on it. It's coming. Probably not for a while, though. Don't expect to hear any major news on that until next year. But I know what you're all really here for. You want to hear about the Monkey Man Halloween Spooktacular. Well, good news, folks. We got a trailer for you. Roll it!
Liam Simmons back for a cameo appearance.
What'd you think? Cool, huh? Monkey Man Halloween Spooktacular, October 30th, 2023, 1913. 1913?